have a dream. Martin Luther said this in his address to people about civil rights. His dream was an idea, an expression of thoughts. However, in this speech, I will not be talking about MLK or his ideas. I would like to talk about a completely different kind of dream, a dream that only happens when you sleep. Sleeping, something that happens to every living being. It's a useful tool that the body uses to rebuild and help heal itself. It's also a time to dream, although no one really knows why dreams happen and what the purpose is. The best scientists have been able to come up with is just theories. Sleeping, which has REM and NREM sleep, during this time, thoughts organize themselves. Although unknown why, theories, which are educated guesses, scientists have theories as to why. A couple of theories are the social simulation theory and the neurocognitive theory. Other theories are that dreams have therapeutic purposes. They produce problem-solving skills or the results of REM sleep. According to an article titled Sleep Basics by the Cleveland Clinic, REM sleep is only one cycle out of 5, and the other 4 are NREM. REM stands for rapid eye movement, and NREM stands for non-rapid eye movement. However, throughout this speech, I will just refer to these as REM and NREM to save time. In the first period of REM sleep, it lasts about 10 minutes, and it increases until the final one, which lasts about an hour. During REM, the heart rate, respiration, and your eye movements will increase. Your brain activity also increases dramatically, which results in dreaming. Your brain will send signals to muscles to have them temporarily paralyzed. Fun fact is when your brain fails to send the signal, that results in sleepwalking or sleep talking or other bizarre things people will do in their sleep. The other 4 stages of NREM, the tissues will be repaired and your body will help build bones and muscle, and it will also strengthen the immune system. Throughout the night, your body will oscillate between REM and NREM. If you look at the graph I gave to everybody, it shows the sleep cycle, 8 sleep cycles, however many sleep cycles, throughout 8 hours throughout the night. As you can see, there's REM in the middle and the different stages. You can flip it back over. While your brain is physically sending signals to the rest of your body, your consciousness is doing something else. However, most people really are not sure why you actually dream. Within the past few years, 2 major dream theories have presented themselves, and they seem to be the most likely and accurate: the social simulation theory and the neurocognitive theory. According to G. William Domhoff and Adam Schneider, social simulation theory says that dreaming is a form of practicing for various social situations and has an adaptive function. Dreams are said to be specialized for producing situations that had enhanced survival and reproductive success for our ancestors. This goes along with the threat simulation theory, which says that any threatening interaction with people or animals in dreams is practiced for the real life. Opposite of the threat simulation theory, however, social simulation focuses on positive building interactions. Based on research and experiments, this is the most likely to be correct. Domhoff and Schneider also mentioned the other theory, the neurocognitive theory, which is different from the social simulation theory. It is based off of an early version of this theory from the 1950s. As Domhoff and Schneider stated, it begins with the idea that dreams are the embodiment of thoughts, and notes that scenes, people, objects, and actions are experienced as though they were impressing themselves on the senses from the external world. This basically means that people called the thoughts that they had when they were sleeping dreams, and they expressed how an individual would perceive the world and the people around them. This later turned into the neurocognitive theory, which supported mind wandering, which basically says that dreams occur so that your mind can wander. This is closely related to daydreaming, just in a deeper state. While these 2 theories are more modern and newer, there are also some other theories that have been presented throughout the years that could also be true. Many theories have come from evidence from studies of the brain and processes of the brain, such as studies by J.A. Hobson and his colleagues, M. Kramer, and E. Hartman. Hobson said that during REM, bursts of activation from the brain will cause REM, and that According to Subodha Givrad, MD, author of Dream Theory and Science, a Review, this activation is interpreted within the framework of already existing memories and interpretation schemas via the forebrain, and therefore concluded that dreaming is an epiphenomenon, which is a result of REM sleep, so it doesn't have a specific function. Kramer, another scientist, suggested that REM causes a surge of feelings and emotions, and that dreams help to contain and deal with these emotions and develop problem-solving skills. He also hypothesized that throughout the night, dreams will go from more negative content to less negative content. Hartman, on the other hand, believes that dreaming is like psychodynamic psychotherapy. According to an article by Psychology Today titled Psychodynamic Therapy, psychotherapy is a form of talk therapy that focuses on the relationship of the person to the external world. According to Givrad, Hartman said that both processes attempt to free the association process, making psychological connections while preventing acting out within a safe environment, and this gives dreaming a bit of a therapeutic purpose. As you can see, there are many different theories by scientists about the function of our body producing dreams. Although almost everyone does it, no one really knows or understands exactly why dreams occur when sleeping. It is thought that dreams possibly might have a value to them, such as practicing for social situations in real life, or have no value at all, just mind-wandering in its deep state. Dreaming also may have a therapeutic type of purpose, help produce problem-solving skills, or just be a result of REM sleep. Scientists have been studying dreams for over 60 years, and we are no closer to understanding our mind and the reasons our bodies do what we do. Perhaps we never will. All I know is that dreams can connect people when they share their wild, fantastical dreams to their friends. And to me, that is all really I need to know.
Thank you very much. Let's give a round of applause. And